Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm diving into a major development in the world of military aviation. Azerbaijan has officially acquired the JF17 Block 3 fighter jets, a move that's making waves across the region. These advanced multi-role aircraft are the result of a joint venture between Pakistan and China. The JF17 is no ordinary fighter jet. It's designed for both air-to-air and air-to-ground combat, offering high maneuverability and effective firepower at various altitudes. President Ilham Aliyev himself attended the presentation ceremony, underscoring the significance of this acquisition. So, what makes the JF17 such a game-changer for Azerbaijan? For starters, it drastically enhances the country's military capabilities. With modern avionics and sophisticated weapon systems, this aircraft is a versatile platform suited for both defensive and offensive operations. This means Azerbaijan is now better equipped to respond to potential threats and maintain a modern, effective air force. The deal, reportedly worth $1.6 billion, includes an unspecified number of these advanced fighters. This massive investment demonstrates Azerbaijan's commitment to defense modernization. In a region fraught with security challenges, the JF17 is expected to bolster Azerbaijan's operational readiness and response capabilities. Now let's talk about the advanced features of the JF17 Block 3 variant. It comes with state-of-the-art avionics and the ability to carry advanced missiles. With a range of up to 1,200 kilometers and precision strike capabilities, this aircraft is a formidable asset for Azerbaijan's air defense. These features allow for targeted operations, minimizing collateral damage while maximizing effectiveness. But it's not just about firepower. The strategic implications of this acquisition are significant. The JF17's advanced capabilities contribute to maintaining air superiority and deterring potential adversaries. This move also strengthens Azerbaijan's position in the region, showcasing its commitment to modernizing its armed forces and maintaining a strong defense posture. In conclusion, the induction of the JF17 Block 3 fighter jets marks a pivotal moment for Azerbaijan's military strategy. It's a clear message to the world that Azerbaijan is serious about enhancing its defense capabilities and maintaining regional stability. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this insight into Azerbaijan's latest military upgrade, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on global defense news. Until next time, stay informed and stay safe.